Okay, Mikey? Let's put them here. Okay. Now we got to cut them up for our dinner. Let's start with this. It's called oregano. We put them in the sauce now, honey? Katrina?
How much oregano are you planning?
Just a
This is
small
not an
one.
oregano. This
Yep.
is like basil.
Let's cut it up. There. Put that over here. You know what it's called? Basil.
Mama.
Basil.
Mama.
Okay, let's cut it up. Cut it up. There, we're cutting up the basil. Oh, some more. All right, let's put that over here. It's called thyme. Thyme.
Mama.
Right. Let's cut it up. These are smaller. There we go. Let's put that one over here. What's that called again?
Mama.
Basil.
That was pretty good.
You heard Mom just said?
It's pretty good, Mike. Basil. I heard you say basil.
Okay, we're all done. Now we gotta put it in the sauce, buddy.
You guys can put it in the sauce.
We gotta put it all in the sauce. Put it all in.
Sure.
Sure.
It's fine.
Okay.
Just tell him it's hot. He knows it's hot. Then he can stir it. Turn it down a little.
Okay.
It's a bit hot for herbs.
There we go.
Then you can dump the clams. Well, first.
Let's stir it up now, Mike.
Then he can dump the clams.
Stir it up. Stir it up. Yeah. Smells
Oh, yeah.
good. Smells good.
Then
Nice.
he can add clams and potatoes or tomatoes.
Okay.
Clams
Hey, way to go, cook. Nice job. Okay, what should we put in next, Mom?
2 cans, whichever he wants. It's no right or wrong.
Either can, Mike. Okay, let's start with the tomatoes.
He doesn't know about that clam one.
Nice.
Here, Mikey, you want to try a clam? Here. Yes, he will. Should we put this in?
Got to stir this first.
I don't think he wants to put the clams in. You like the clams, Mike?
Okay,
They're
no.
not bad.
Yeah.
I'd rather have bacon.
Thanks,
Have bacon.
Kate.
Like, don't you think clams are a bit like bacon? It's sort of
Let's
the
put
tiny
those in,
one.
too.
Go ahead.
All
They're
right.
salty.
Let's stir it in, Mikey. Thanks, Kate. Turn it off.